Hi, welcome back. Welcome to the episode 4 of How to Dance Salsa. My partner PARINI.
Hi.
Okay, today we're going to start with the partner work in the salsa. We have done earlier basic steps, cross, side dip, inside out, right turn, toe heel cross, everything. We start with the basic, how do you dance with a partner. Again, like you've seen in the bachata, we have to start with the open position first. Now, when we dance with a partner, the first step of the girl becomes right. So she has to take her right back, and for the male it's the same, it's the left feet which goes forward. So for the basic starts, we do 1, 2 and back to the 3 and 5, 6, 7. See, again I'm leading her to go front and back. That has to happen, the lead and the follow has to go on. So I'm here to do again, we go 1, 2, 3 and 5, 6, 7. That's our basic. The next one is called as side basic. We did with the partner again, we go 1, 2, 3 and 5, 6, 7. One more time, that's 1, 2, 3 and 5, 6, 7. That's our side basic. The next one we do is side dip. We go outside 1, 2 and we dip on the third, 5, 6 and we dip on the 7. Again 1, 2, 3 and 5, 6, 7. The next one is inside out. For inside out, I'll just open the hands 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Again 1, 2, 3 and 5, 6, 7. You generally see this step inside out more in the movies there right now. Okay, the next one is the side cross. We do it again 1, 2, we cross it, 5, 6, we cross it. Again 1, 2 and we cross, 5, 6 and we cross. The next one is the right turn for the girl. We go with 1, 2, 3. I'll take the hand up so that she knows she has to turn. We go with 5, 6 and 7. And back to the balance here 1, 2, 3. I lead her 5, 6 and 7. That's the right turn for the girl. Now we can show you the whole thing on music. It can be a bit faster. We just need to catch it on the beats there. We start with the partner from the basic. Can we have the music please? We start with 1 and 5, 6, 7, we go. 2, side basic. Side dip. Inside out 1. I'll lead her out. 1, 5. Cross 1, 2, cross 5, 6, cross. See, I have to lead her for the next step. And a right turn 1, 2, 3. I lead her and back 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7 and we stop. I hope this is clear. This is how you have to lead the partner for the basic, side basic and everything. I hope you understand what we're doing with the partner work. Any doubts, any comments you want to put it, you can put it down there. Thank you so much for watching. Please keep learning. Thank you so much. Bye.